Hi guys, welcome back for another video. So today I'm going to be doing some turban tutorials for you. So this has been really requested. So I wore this style, this one here, last week when I went to London Modest Fashion Week, which by the way was amazing. It was such a good experience. For me, the thing that I enjoyed the most about it was actually the networking and all the amazing people that I got to meet. But yeah, it was such a good experience. So some amazing shows, did a bit of shopping of course, and it was just really good. So I definitely recommend, if you ever get the opportunity, if you are into fashion that is, and if you ever get the opportunity to attend these kind of networking events, fashion weeks and things like that, I definitely recommend it. I'll actually insert a few clips from Fashion Week that I recorded for you, so you can see kind of what it looked like, what it was about, kind of thing. Yes, so Haute Elan have done an amazing job, and exciting news as well, they announced that they're going to start doing a winter London Modest Fashion Week as well, and it's going to be on the 15th and 16th of September. So yes, I definitely want to be at that. Inshallah, hopefully I'll be there. You should definitely come to if you're into fashion. It's not just for Muslims, it's literally for anybody who just wants to kind of get modest fashion inspiration. So yeah, definitely attend if you can. Alright, so we'll get into the turban tutorial now. So this is the look, and the beauty about this style as well is that each time you do it, it's probably going to look a little bit different, just because of the nature of this style. So this is kind of currently how it looks, but when I do it again it might end up looking a little different, like I said. So let's get into it. Oh, and also you'll get a bonus tutorial. I pause like this, don't I? Okay, so under my scarf I have my underscarf bonnet thing, whatever you call it, and I've literally just packed my hair into a low bun. Okay, so that's like prepping for the style. And then what I have is the ankara material, which I need to get this, is it hem, do you call it? I don't know, basically get it sewn down, because I originally just said like to leave it when I went to the tailor, but I think it kind of needs it because it's starting to fray a bit. But anyway, so the reason that I needed to get it sewn in the first place was because I use 1 yard of material, and then the way it comes, when I bought it in Nigeria, so 1 yard is like, it comes as a square kind of piece, and for me, when I do turban tutorials, I like it to be long. So I'll use this as an example. So it was basically a square like this, hold on, okay, so it's basically one big square piece like this, if you can get the idea. I'm not really explaining this. It's kind of like this, yeah. So then I cut it down in half in the middle, and then I just get the tailor to join it back up for me like this, so that it becomes one long piece. Okay, so that's 1 yard of fabric, cut it down in half, and then sew the ends together so it becomes long. And that's how you're going to be able to achieve this style. You're not really going to be able to achieve it if it's in like this square shape. Okay, right, hopefully I've explained that well. Now onto the turban tutorial. So what I do is I take my volumizing scrunchie and I literally plonk that on top of my head like this, and just flatten it out a bit. Okay, that's literally all I do. And then I get the scarf, turn it the right way, and then because it's not hem, so I just try to fold the ends a bit. Okay, and then just put that over your head like this, and you just want to have kind of like equal sides equal sides like this. Okay, and then you simply just go ahead and you cross over these two sides like this to form a bit of a cross, and you can adjust it. Don't want to get on my eyebrows. To adjust it is, you see, this is the thing, definitely need to hem it, or whatever you call it. I think it's called hemming. Because we've got a sewing machine, but it needs servicing, otherwise I could have done it myself, you know. Anyway, yeah. So cross it over like this, and then just get rid of that one, put it to the side, you don't need it right now. Flick it away. And then simply just twist this other side like this, okay? Just twist, 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 and then just take it around the back. Take it around the back, okay? And then it needs to come under this piece, and just twist it some more if you need to, and then just tuck it into itself. So tuck it into the bit here that you rolled, just like that, okay? And then take this side and do the same thing, just twist, 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 and then again take that round the back, anyhow, twist it some more, and then just tuck it in like that, okay? And then you get left with this bit here, so then you just literally need to tuck it in and tidy it up a bit to suit, okay? I'm looking at a mirror back there. Got mirrors all over the place. Let me look here. Like that. And there. Okay, and there you have it. Literally, like, it's that easy, and just adjust it as you want to, and voila, you have this style there. It was so easy, as you saw. Took hardly any time. Oh, again, these frayed bits. Okay, yeah. There you go. From the side, don't know what my hands are doing, and from the front. And that's the style there. So yeah, really easy. And I just obviously matched it up. This is what the earrings that I wore, on the second day, because it was a 2-day event, London Modest Fashion Week, and went to both days. So yeah, I just kind of, you know, tied in with the orange, and then it's got like a navy blue which kind of ties in with the blue. So yeah, that's how I did it. But yeah, tell me what you think about this style. But yeah, this is style number 1. It's super easy, so African, so me, back to the roots, hashtag culture, love it, absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the other style that I wore for London Modest Fashion Week on the first day, which is very similar to this, just with a very slight variation. So yes, let me show you. Right. Okay guys, so for the second turban style, so again, you know, I modified the scarf, cut it in half and made it long like this. And the base is exactly the same, so I have this plonked on the top of my head, and then simply literally just do the same kind of thing. So fold the edge first, cross the two sides over like this, and then rather than twisting, just bring it round, pull it round to the other side like that, underneath here, and then just tuck it in here, okay? So just try and tuck it in, and then take this other side, and then also take that round the back like this, okay? And then just tuck that in as well. So let me just look in my mirror. So just tuck it in somewhere like that. Oh, this bit hanging is annoying me. Okay, so yeah, tuck it in, and then literally just tuck and toe. Tuck that back in. Just tuck and tidy. That style, it is just about playing around with it for the most part. So yeah, this is the other kind of style that I rocked on day 1 of London Modest Fashion Week, and again, love this one as well. And yeah, like, people seem to love the African head wraps, so yeah, I received a lot of compliments. This is totally like my thing now. I absolutely love it. Again, let me know which one was your favourite style out of the 2, and again, if you try them, make sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see them. I do love it when you send me your pictures. But yeah, this is the side, this is it from the back, And this is it from the other side. And let me know if when I do these tutorials, if it would help you if I was standing against a plain background, because I feel like maybe that busy background isn't helping. But let me know. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more turban tutorials using ankara, so the African fabric, then do let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure to share this video with all your friends, your family, everybody that you want to see this video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos like this, and I'll catch you in my next video next week. See you later. Bye.